What if we no longer needed food? No chicken, no fruits, no rice, no caffeine. Instead, what if humans got their energy and nutrients from metal and minerals? Could we chew on copper instead of kale? Get our daily iron from, well, iron? Let's find out what happens when we swap biology for geology. First, a reality check. Humans evolved to get energy from organic matter, carbohydrates, fats, proteins broken down through digestion and converted into ATP, our body's little battery packs. Metal and minerals, on the other hand, they are inorganic, dense, hard, chemically locked away. Our digestive system wasn't exactly built to munch on manganese. But let's say evolution took a wild turn, or maybe some far future nanotech did a trick. Humans are now chemoautotrophic, like some deep sea microbes, deriving energy from inorganic compounds. No sunlight, no food, just raw elements. Your stomach is now a miniature smelting reactor. It doesn't dissolve steak, it electrolyzes ore. You pop a chunk of zinc into your mouth and a microscopic fuel cells in your gut break it down into electrons and ions, generating energy like a living battery. Need vitamins? Nope. Just a daily cocktail of rare earth elements, iron fillings, and maybe a hint of copper sulfate for your nerves. Instead of snacking on protein bars, you would carry a mineral medley in a pouch labeled not by flavor, but by conductivity. Forget grocery stores. Now it's mines, not markets, that keep people alive. Supermarkets would be replaced by resource banks, where lithium is more valuable than chocolate. Farms? Obsolete. Forest allowed to grow back. But as mineral demand surges, conflict zones shift underground. Forget oil wars. Welcome to the cobalt conflicts of 2087. And food waste? Gone. You either absorb the metal or you poop out a shiny nugget of something recyclable. But let's go further. What if we didn't just digest minerals, but became more mineral ourselves? You are now part human, part hardware. Your bones are laced with titanium, your cells are strengthened by graphene scaffolds, your blood carries molten iron regulated by internal superconductors. You don't eat, you don't sleep, you recharge via mineral baths or plug into molten geothermal vents. Cities are built into mountains because mountains are the new food source. Eventually, humanity splits. The organics cling to farms and fruits, and the mineralists, geometabolic beings who consume rock and bend steel with a thought. A war of appetites begins. Of course, in reality, this isn't possible. Our biology is tuned for molecules like glucose, not gallium. We can't extract energy from iron the way a bacterium can. At least, not yet. But the idea isn't entirely fantasy. Scientists are already exploring biomining bacteria, metal-based nanomedicine, and cyborg implants powered by the body's own chemistry. So maybe, in some far-off future, we won't ask what's for dinner. We will ask how many volts do you want with that magnesium. So next time you see a lump of rock, don't just kick it aside. You might be looking at the breakfast of the post-human era. If you liked imagining life as a walking battery, smash the subscribe button. No mining required. We've got more weird science coming, from bizarre biology to futures that will make your toaster jealous. Stay charged, and I'll see you on the next one.